Hey guys, so today I am going to be doing this unboxing video because I went to EAA in the Kidventure in Oshkosh and I got this this thing and I'm just gonna unbox it. So yeah, let's start. It looks like I got a toolkit, so you can see it. There's a lot of stuff. So, looks like pliers, Phillips head, flathead, stars, Phillips head, like little screwdrivers. You can see tiny, tiny screwdrivers. Same with this one. Screwdriver, and then these things. I can show you what they do. So you take this, the screwdriver, and take this out, and then you put it all together like this. And it goes on, so you can screw a bolt. Yeah. So I'll just put it away later. So yeah, all in all, it's a pretty good toolkit. So any kids playing, subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Yeah, over and out.